Hi, in this video we are going to see the PhD admission notification from one of the state university through the entrance test, and the test name is called as a Research Aptitude Test 2021, and here the total 341 PhD vacant seats are there among the 20 subjects, and written test as well as the interview has to be faced by the postgraduate candidates, and the candidates who qualified the UGC NET or the CSIR NET candidates, they are exempted from the written test and directly go for the interview. And from all over the India, you may apply from any state. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments or the subjects. After watching this video, it will be very much helpful to them. And if your requirement is not there in this video, then please mention your job requirement or else the education requirement in the comment section. If I got the matching recruitment notification, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this PhD admission notification. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee, and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video, here the university name is Siddharth University Kapilavastu from Siddharth Nagar, UP. So it is one of the state government university, guys. So from this university here we got the PhD admission notification. Fine. So you may check down. See, guys. And I will provide this website link in the description box of this video. So to get the accurate and the more details, you please visit this official website. And here the helpline numbers are also provided from morning 10 to evening 5 o'clock, and the email ID is also provided. So if after going through this PhD admission notification, if you are having any queries regarding this one, then you may contact or else you may put your mail to this provided mail ID. And here the online application for the research entrance test, that is RET 2021. So here the brochure is there as well as the syllabus for this test is also given here. And coming to the opening dates, 26th October 2021, and the closing date is the 15th November 2021. Okay. So click on this PhD brochure and then you will be directed to this PDF, guys. So which is having the total 9 pages are there. Okay, and here the information is given here regarding this PhD admission notification. And while coming to the in details, okay, you may check down. It is while coming to the important dates, as I already mentioned, that 26th October to 15th November 2021 is the online application date, guys. And the online application fee you have to pay through the State Bank of India. So for that one, the last date is 15th November 2021. And if you want to take the online application print, okay, that is online application form print, then 17th November is the last date. Fine. So these are the important dates, guys. And coming to the application fee is 1500 rupees for the general category and 1000 rupees for the reserved category. Okay, or else whoever the candidates reservations are there. So for those 1000 rupees is the application fee. And coming to the subjects here, you may check down, guys. Subjects as well as the number of vacancies are also you may check down, okay, in this tabular format. So total 20 subjects are there, and these subjects are Angrezi, Hindi, Sanskrit, Urdu, Prachin Itihas, and Madhyakalin Evam Adunik Itihas, and Ardhashastra, and Samaj Shastra, Rajniti Vignan, and Lok Prashasan, and Vanij, and Shiksha Shastra, Vidhi, Bhugol, and Rasayan Vignan, Bhaudik Vignan, Ganit, and Prani Vignan, and Vanaspati Vignan, and Raksha Adhyayan. Fine. So these are the different 20 different subjects are there, and total 300 plus vacant seats are there from these 20 subjects, guys. So utilize this opportunity. So it will be the wonderful chance here, and few general instructions and conditions are also given here. So while coming to the eligibility criteria, the candidate must have the post graduation in the particular discipline with 55% of marks. Anyhow, the 5% of relaxation is also provided based upon the caste category. And the candidates whoever qualified for the UGC NET or CSI or NET, okay, JRF or NET, or else the GATE qualified candidates are there. So those candidates are exempted from the written test. Fine. But the candidates has to attempt for the interview, guys. And the process of research eligibility test is also given here. So how many marks will be there for the test, and all these conditions are given. And whoever the candidates are exempted from the written test, so those one also given here. So you please check down, guys. And apart from this one, the few more general instructions are also given, and I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So you please once go through this one, and the research registration process is also provided. So to get the accurate and more details, you please once visit the official website of this one. And if you want to apply for this, then here the registration number as well as the date of birth. So with respect to both these two, you have to log in, guys. Or else if you are the fresh candidate, then you have to click on this register and online fee payment, and then you will be directed to the what we call online application form and the registration payment. All these things you will be directed. Fine. And if you want to get the syllabus of the research entrance test, then click on this one, and then you will be directed to the syllabus of the each and every subject. Okay. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the PhD admission notification. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, over here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video, guys. Otherwise you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. To bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the two platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare, and English and education, and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the, providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code, that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity.